So hello my friends, so we're gonna make a handkerchief face mask today, and we just need this rubber bands, 2 rubber bands for both ears, and then a handkerchief. All you need to do is like that, fold it into half, and then fold it into half again, like that, and then this one fold it like that, and then fold it like that. So make sure the length of this one, so from here to here, covers your nose and your mouth. So we do like that, and then we put this elastic or rubber band here on the end. Like that, and put it back like that. Just smoothing it out so it will be like nice. Smoothen the edge like that, and then go to the other side. No, let's do it like this. Like that, and then the other side go like this, and then put the elastic band also like that, and then open this up, and then put the end of this one inside of the other one. So 1, 2, and there's like a hole in here, there, and then tuck the end of this one inside to seal it. There. And then your face mask is ready. Handkerchief face mask is ready. So we're gonna try this out. So just do like this, and then put it in your mouth like that, and then this one put it on the other ear, and the other one on the other ear. There you go. So you can wear this one going out, so you cannot spread maybe like virus to other people, or also your protection. I know this is not the best face mask that you can have, but it's better than nothing, right? So that's it, guys.